Come take the journey with me to discover a few strategies to help in your journey to self-restoration. Rebuilding yourself can take time, but ultimately a rewarding experience. It's essential to take the time to restore your mind, body, and soul, especially when feeling overwhelmed and dealing with a difficult period in life. Connecting with others is essential for your well-being. Naturally, we need social interaction. During tough times, you may need to feel supported and have a sense of community. Reach out to friends and family and join a support group if needed. Being mindful can help you gain perspective on your thoughts and emotions. Find peace within yourself. Practice being mindful by being present in the moment. Pay attention to your thoughts and feelings without judging. Achieve mindfulness by taking a walk, doing yoga, or meditating. Protecting your time and energy is essential. You should focus on yourself and set boundaries. Be okay with saying no to people and things that may overwhelm you. This includes some work and personal projects. Remember, time is something you can't get back. Take a break. You owe it to yourself. To restore yourself, take a break from work and the personal things you do. You can do something that relaxes you. Take a vacation, a staycation, or even just an afternoon off. Re-energizing and refocusing are essential to your well-being. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share.